Magnetic kitchen LED digital timer which manual countdown and timer alarm clock. Large LED display digital timer, 3-inch large LED screen with clear numbers make the time easy to read at a long distance, even in big classroom, meeting room, exercise room or big kitchen. Rotary timer and easy setup, twist the knob to set time from 0 o'clock to 99 hours 59 minutes. Press the button to start or stop. The digital light will be darkened in 5 seconds and shut down in another 5 seconds to save battery life. Magnetic and stand design, the timer can firmly stick to any metal surface like refrigerator for its built-in strong magnets. It also has portable kickstand which provides more ways of placement. Loud and adjustable alarm volume, there are 3 levels of alarm sounds from silence up to 95 decibels. You can hear the loud alarm in another room. In mute mode, the timer will remind you with numbers flashing when time arrival without any sound. Multiple use, the timer is suitable for cooking, exercising, meeting, doing homework, teaching, baking, gaming, and so on. Material, ABS material, available in black and white colors. Timing range 0 to 99 minutes and 0 to 55 seconds. Powered by 3 AAA batteries.